custom email template lets you customize the layout of your email template for a more personalized touch. This way could easily represent your brand and company identity. Click this icon to edit the email template. View the email template by clicking the preview icon. Click on this button to create a custom email template. Upload your own HTML file by choosing Choose File. Make sure that the file you choose is in .html format. Or you can create your own template from scratch using our rich editor. In this section, you will have a preview of the uploaded email template. Once finalized, click the Save button.